på et Made Open Lab, der inviterer vi virksomheder, de store som de små, GTS'er, universitetsfolk og skoler indenfor. Vi åbner simpelthen op, så de kan se processerne. I dag der handler det om 3D-print i metal. Vi holder det i regi af AM-line for at sætte fokus på de muligheder og måske udfordringer, der kan være, når man vil i gang med at 3D-printe i metal. Nogle udfordringer, som alle virksomhederne på tværs af størrelse, geografi og brancher, de knokler lidt med at få løst nogle af de her udfordringer.
Danfoss is focusing on additive manufacturing because we want to achieve in the three application areas, prototyping, tooling and end component manufacture. We want to achieve a faster time to market in prototyping. We want to improve our productivity, optimize our productivity in tooling, and in end component manufacture we want to design and build the products of tomorrow. As far as competitiveness is concerned, time to market, of course, gives us a certain euro advantage per week that we're early on the market. In terms of tooling and in terms of improving our productivity in the tooling area, it stands to reason that if we lower our costs, one of two things happen. Either we have a better margin or we have a better price, which leads to gained market share. And as far as the products of tomorrow are concerned, if we can design tomorrow's products today and build them today, that'll obviously give us a leg up on our competitors as well.
Autophone became a synonym for technological development thanks to our A90, our anniversary product, where we, as a first in the world, introduced 3D printing metal to create a cartridge. We make a synergy of new technology into an old way of reproducing analog sound. Next step for Autophone will be for sure continuous development and continuous improvement of the parts. We believe that we still have some room to improve and to get even better our products. We'll stick to 3D printing, and I cannot share much details, but for sure we'll investigate in producing micro components which sit in the heart of a cartridge.